Look here. This is a picture of my room. And now, look at this. AI generated it for me. Now, I will try to make my room like this. Let's see how it goes today. How to transform your room with AI. First, you need to open your web browser. Then, go to a website called Remodeled AI. Here, click on Generate Your Room. After clicking, a new page will open. Once it's open, you will be asked to provide your email. You can also log in with your Google account. After logging in, a new page will open on the left side. Here, you need to click on Upload. After clicking, a new format will open. When this new format opens, double-click on a picture of your room. Clicking it will start the uploading process. Now, let's move on. Here, you need to click on the Design theme. Choose the theme you want for your room. I will choose Modern. After selecting the theme, go a little further down and indicate which room the picture is for, so the adjustments match. For instance, I've uploaded a picture of a bedroom, so I will select Bedroom. Once you've selected, go down a bit more. Without making any changes, click on Generate. After clicking, the process will start. Now, you need to wait a bit. It won't take long. There you go, my new room picture is ready. Now, let's improve our room. That's how you can transform your room with AI. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.